Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to change the language in the Claude app. If your app is not in your preferred language or you want to switch it. For better understanding, this video will help you do it in just a few simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Claude. Make sure that the app is updated to the latest version so you don't miss any features. Once the app is updated, simply open the Claude app on your phone. Now, tap on the three white lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. After that, tap on your profile section. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down until you find the language option. Tap on it, and here you can easily select your preferred language from the list. Just choose the language you want, and it will be applied instantly. And that's it. Your language has been successfully changed. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.